Welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a TNT cannon. So first of all you want to place a line of cobblestone as 3 blocks. Then you're going to go down 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then on the other side go down 6 as well, but place 1 block on the top, on the left hand side, and don't put one on the right. So we're going to put some redstone going all the way down here on the left hand side where the block is, and then only to that block of one before the end one down here. Then at the edge here you can put a stone slab, and don't put redstone at the end here either. You can put a lever there, put a water bucket there, and it's almost done. We're going to put TNT there, and there. But don't put it there because it will go under the water, so you'll have to replace it. There we go. So first of all, you can flick the right lever. 1, 2. There we go. Get that up. You can see it does go pretty far. Now I've already tested it with that one there next to it. So yeah, it does go pretty far. That's 2 shots. It does quite a lot of damage. And thank you. I'll do another tutorial video soon.